Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is tax planning. Most people hear the word tax and instantly feel confused or stressed. Some think tax planning means doing something illegal or hiding money, but that's not true at all. Tax planning simply means arranging your income and savings in a smart way, so you legally pay less tax. No complex maths, no boring law sections, just simple explanation. What is tax planning? Tax planning means using the rules of the tax system wisely. The government already gives many options to reduce tax. Savings, investments, insurance, education expenses, home loans. When you plan these things properly, your tax automatically reduces. Example: two people earn the same income. One plans their taxes, the other doesn't. The planner pays less tax, legally. That's tax planning. Tax planning vs tax saving. Many people confuse these two. Tax saving, done at the last minute, only to reduce tax, often rushed and poorly chosen. Tax planning, done before the financial year, part of overall financial planning, helps with long-term goals. So remember, tax saving is short-term thinking. Tax planning is smart long-term thinking. Why is tax planning important? Tax planning is important because 1. You save money. Paying extra tax means wasting hard-earned income. 2. Better financial discipline. You start saving and investing regularly. 3. Helps achieve goals like education, house, travel, or retirement. 4. Peace of mind. No last-minute stress before filing returns. 5. Legal protection. Proper planning keeps you safe from penalties. Basic types of tax planning. There are mainly 3 types. 1. Short-term tax planning, done at the end of the year. Quick actions to reduce tax, not very effective long-term. 2. Long-term tax planning. Planned early, focused on wealth creation. Best type of tax planning. 3. Permissive tax planning, using deductions and exemptions allowed by law, 100% legal and safe. Common tax planning tools. Here are popular and easy tax planning tools. 1. Savings and investments, government-approved savings schemes. Long-term investment options. Encourages habit of saving. 2. Insurance, life insurance, health insurance. Helps in emergencies and reduces tax. 3. Education expenses. Fees paid for education may offer tax benefits. Encourages learning and skill development. 4. Home loans. Buying a house can give tax benefits. Both principal and interest may help reduce tax. Exact numbers depend on country rules, a focus on concept, not calculation. Tax planning for different people, students, young earners. Start early, learn basics, build saving habit. Salaried employees. Plan salary structure, use deductions wisely, avoid last-minute panic. Self-employed business owners maintain proper records, separate personal and business expenses, plan cash flow carefully. Common tax planning mistakes. Many people make these mistakes. 1. Waiting till last minute. 2. Copying others blindly. 3. Buying wrong products just for tax. 4. Ignoring long-term goals. 5. Not understanding rules properly. Avoid these, and tax planning becomes easy. Tax planning is not tax evasion. Very important point. Tax evasion equals illegal. Tax planning equals legal. Tax planning uses rules provided by the government itself. Hiding income or giving false information is illegal. Never do that. Tax planning is smart, legal, and necessary. It helps you save money and build wealth. Start early, stay consistent. Focus on long-term benefits, not shortcuts. If you understand tax planning early in life, you will always stay financially confident. Here is the next part of the tax planning. Tax planning strategies. Now let's talk about how people actually do tax planning in real life. Tax planning does not mean doing something complicated. It means making smart choices in daily financial decisions. 1. Start planning at the beginning of the year. Most people start thinking about tax when the deadline is near. That's the biggest mistake. When you plan early, you get more options, you avoid pressure, you choose better investments. Early planning equals better decisions. 2. Balance between saving and living. Some people save only to reduce tax and forget to enjoy life. Others spend everything and worrying later. Good tax planning means saving for the future, Enjoying the present, paying only required tax. Balance is the key. 3. Think beyond tax. Never invest only for tax benefit. Ask yourself, is this useful for my future? Does it match my goals? Can I stay invested long-term? Tax benefit should be a bonus, not the main reason. Role of financial goals in tax planning. Tax planning works best when linked with financial goals. Short-term goals, emergency fund, skill courses, small purchases. Medium-term goals, higher education, starting a business, buying a vehicle. Long-term goals, house, retirement, financial freedom. When goals are clear, tax planning becomes automatic. Tax planning and income growth. Many people focus only on saving tax, not on increasing income. Remember, higher income equals more tax, but higher income also equals more opportunities. Smart people. Increase income. Plan taxes properly. Still grow wealth. Tax planning should support income growth, not limit it. Digital tools and tax planning. Today, tax planning is much easier because of technology. You can use budgeting apps, online calculators, digital record keeping, online tax filing platforms. These tools save time, reduce errors, improve planning. You don't need to be an expert, just organized. Role of professional advice. Sometimes, self-learning is not enough. A financial advisor or tax expert can explain rules clearly, help avoid mistakes, suggest better planning methods. But remember, never blindly trust anyone. Always understand at least the basic idea. Tax planning mindset. Tax planning is not a one-time task. It's a habit and mindset. Successful people review finances regularly, adjust plans when income changes, stay updated with rules. They don't fear tax, they manage it. Myths about tax planning. Let's clear some common myths. Myth 1. Tax planning is only for rich people. Wrong. Anyone who earns money needs tax planning. Myth 2. Tax planning is very complicated. Wrong. Basics are simple if explained properly. Myth 3. More saving means better tax planning. Wrong. Smart saving is better than forced saving. Myth 4. Once done, no need to review. Wrong. Life changes, income changes, planning must change too. If this video helped you understand tax planning clearly, then like the video, share it with friends and family, subscribe to the channel. Comment below, tax planning. See you in the next video.